Hi friends, this is the 3 otters pullback car, and you can see this comes in a good box, and there are total 24 pieces. Kids Valentine's toy cars, mini toy cars, party favors, mini race cars for boys school reward prices. So you can see there are total 24 in count, and there are all of the different colors. So this is the red, that what I'm showing you right here. So they are red, yellow, green, purple, blue. So you can see the cars systematize, and the quality build is good. Yes, of course it's not that high quality, but this is for the game test, and this is doing resolving the purpose. So you just push it back and it will run. There is no issue with the balance and the speed of the car, and the quality looks good, and everything I think is good, and it's good to gift as a gift to the kids. So different colors, total 24 in count.